So, good day, and my name is Jeremina. For today's video is I will teach you how to install MSI using group policy. First is, punta tayo sa Google, Chrome, then type xmsi.com, then ito yung lalabas, then click docs, then click popular MSI packages, then click Firefox for the MSI. Then kapag click na siya, then mag-download na siya. Then after you download that, go to VMware, and then go to right there, go to click that VM, and then install VMware tools. And then click this file folder, then click this PC, and then click this DVD drive VMware tools. Open that. VMware production installation. Wait natin siya. Then may lumabas na dito. Then click next. Ito na isa-setup na natin yung VMware tools. Then click next. Then next, click install. Wait lang natin siya mag-install. Then may lalabas na VMware tool setup na finish. Then click finish. You must restart the configuration and then click yes. So, wait lang natin siya mag-restart. So, after the restart, punta tayo sa VM and then click settings. And then click this option. Then punta tayo sa shared folders disable. At kailangan dito naka always enable. Click na always enable. And then click OK. Check natin kung naka-enable ba talaga. For sure. Naka-enable. And then after that, we'll create a folder. New folder, then pangalanan natin na Firefox, and after that lagyan na sa gilid. After that, puntahan natin yung folder na download natin na MSI na which is Firefox. Then drag and drop lang natin siya, and drag and drop lagyan natin sa Firefox, copying. Tingnan natin kung nandito pa sa folder. So, nandito. And then click this Firefox, and then right click, and then properties, then click this sharing, then click this advanced sharing, then click this share folder, the share name. Dadagdag lang natin yung $sign. Then click apply. Click apply. Okay. Then copy natin tong network path Control C. Apply natin. Nope. Nakaka-copy na ba? Wait. Sure natin. Copy. And then close. Yes. Okay. And then, punta tayo sa Tools. Then, hanapin natin yung Group Policy Management. And here, click natin. Then, Then, after that, click natin tong nasa gilid ng forest na parang arrow. Then, click din natin nasa domain. Then, Jeremy Beside 4C. Then, paano ba ito? Then, dito natin makikita. So, dito makikita natin yung Group Policy Objects. And then, right-click natin. New. Then, mag-set ako ng name natin na Firefox Setup. Then, okay. And after that, click natin yung nasa gilid ng arrow ng Group Policy Objects. Then, click natin yung Firefox. Then, right-click. Then, go to Edit. Then, punta tayo sa Policies. Click natin tong Software Settings. And nasa gilid, pindutin natin. Then, Software Installation. And then, right-click. Then, click New. Package. Then, dito natin, lagay natin yung kinopy natin na network path dun sa folder na ginawa natin. And then, click Open. Ang kinopy natin kanina, click Enter bago pala open, then click, then open. Then may lalabas na deploy software, may nakalagay na publish, assign, advance. Click natin tong advance, then click OK. And then general, punta tayo sa my deployment. Dito sa deployment, click natin tong uninstall this application when it falls out the scope management. Then okay. And then done. Then after that, close lang natin siya. Then punta tayo sa Jeremina. Click lang natin to. Then right click. Then click natin tong link an existing GPO. And then click natin tong Firefox Setup. Then click OK. Then after that, punta tayo dito sa search bar. Then type natin CMD. Command prompt. And then type natin is gp update ano nga ulit yun? Force, ayun, force. GP update force. Then press enter. Wait lang natin. Then may lalabas na computer policy update has completely successfully. Certain computer policies are enabled to okay to restart. Then press Y. Restart natin. Then close. Wait lang natin. So, after that installing the managed software Mozilla Firefox, then after that restart, makikita natin yung app na Firefox.